Welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Thanks for joining us today. We're here with our new, well not new, we've had it for 2 years. We've just been a bit lazy and slack with releasing it and test fitting it and making sure it's all going to work with our Australian designed vehicle and with the airbags and everything, and it's not going to interfere with anything. So we've done that and we've changed a few couple of things, added a few bolts and little sticky tabs so you can easily mount the cabling out of the way and it's not going to cause any issues. So it uses all the factory holes in the vehicle and it's a grab handle. So it's an A-pillar grab handle and gets mounted like so. So then you can easily get in and out of your vehicle. Grab here and pull yourself in. And every time you do that, you can think of Savage Tech Australia. How enjoyable. Anyway, so we got this. We're going to show you how to install it. So we'll get Gabes to quickly film this. All we're going to do is start by stripping this, which is called the Weatherstrip or the door seal. Okay, so we've just stripped that out. You saw how easy that is. This one's probably a bit more easy because it's not a Virgin anymore. Rico's had quite a bit of work done on this vehicle. We've been in and out, in and out, in and out. We do a lot of R&D here, so our vehicles get stripped probably twice a week. Anyway, strip that out of the way, and then we'll get Gabes to go around the other side and we'll show you how to pull the A-pillar off. A-pillar, we've already pulled the stripper off. Now we're gonna stick our fingers in here and just pry it away, and you're gonna pop it. So once you do that, they'll just pop away like that. Don't be scared, we won't break anything. There's a little clip up here that'll just pull away and allow you to have access. So once we've done that, we'll get our little trim removal tool. You can buy these at super cheap. I think we're going to sell these on our website as well, so you'll be able to buy them from savagetech.com.au. And that's just a little trim tool. So you're going to be able to stick it in here. I'll get Gabes to film up in here and show you how it works. So you're going to come in, we come in behind it, and you are going to pry it exactly like this and pop that off. Once you've done that, there's also another trim clip that lines up, that'll pop off. Then you're gonna undo it, and then you've got 2 locators that go down into the dashboard, 1 trim clip, and this one that gets popped away. Once you get this, put that aside, we're gonna grab this, and we're also gonna get the bracket. So, we're ready to go with this. On this vehicle, we've already put the sticky tabs on here. We actually supply them in the kit, so you will get 2 of these. They're called sticky back little feet that your zip ties can go through it, and that allows you to cable tie this cable out of the way so it's not going to cause any issues and vibrate. So we give you 2 of these. You got your little double-sided tape on the back, just peel it back and just stick it on. Easy as. Your cable tie goes through quite easily. So your cable tie, you'll get that, stick it in, around, and obviously cable tie them like this. That's it, create a loop, and that will secure the cable like that. So, very easy. But right now I'm going to get my trim removal tool again, and we're going to stick it under here, and I'm actually going to pop that one off. And then we're going to do the one down here. So they're both M6 holes. So we are going to use those holes to mount this new grab handle. So let's grab the 2 bolts that we need. We'll supply these as well, M6, and you will get your grab handle. Make sure the orientation is correct, which it is currently. It needs to be facing back down towards you. We're going to get that in there like so. That's 1, the other one, that's 2, get your little impact, 1, 2, grab handles attached to the vehicle. I probably should have cable tied these prior to doing that, but I will quickly do this the hard way. So I'm going to cable tie it with the handle already on there, because I like making things difficult for myself, but I highly recommend you do this before doing this. So then we're just going to cable tie that, that's 1. Then we're going to get our flush cutters. These are flush, they cut, and the reason they're really good for zip ties is they cut them flush so you don't cut yourself after you cut them. Alright, so they're nice and smooth. I'll get the other cable tie and cable tie that down there now. So we get our last cable tie, we're going to stick that down the bottom here. Stick it through the hole and cable tie that out of the way. Well, it's not really out of the way, it's cable tying it so it doesn't, just flap around in the wind when you're full driving in your beautiful GWM Cannon. We're going to flush cut that. All done, ready to go. Airbags away. Don't need to worry about airbag, it's all in here. That's the little pull cord of the airbag. When it goes, it explodes and hopefully protects you. And you're going to locate those 2 down the bottom, and that's in there. All right, then you're going to put this clip into the top one. Find that, make sure it's lining up. If it's not lining up, it means that this is not pushed down enough. So I'm going to push that now, which has just gone down, and kabam! One of them, I'm just going to quickly put this strip back on, let's go around. We'll make sure it's all nice and sealed and looks good. That's it. So now we're gonna get the handle. One handle, we're gonna pop these out. The easiest way is to stick your screwdriver or whatever in the back of it and just pop them out. So you got 1 and 2. M6, X head, 10 mil. Put the handle the right way, that would help. And you're gonna go and screw these in. So finger tighten them in there. That's 1. Bottom one on. So it's finger tight. And you can get your little socket on there and do them up. It's 1, 2, your covers. 1, top cap. 2. Look at that, all nice. Give it a quick wipe down so Rico doesn't kill me. He complains every time I dirty his car. Clean it up for him, make it look beautiful and brand new again. Look at that. All done. So that's your grab handle all mounted. Now you can just get in the vehicle very easily. Just step up and pull yourself in, nice and steady. It's exactly the same as the other side. Nice and easy to do in your home. I reckon it'll take you about 10 minutes and maybe 15. Once you've got your tools ready, so all you need is pretty much a cutter, side cutter, a pair of scissors, to cut the cable tie, a trim tool, 10 mil socket, and some cleaner and some finger strength to pull all the seals off. But yeah, easy to do in your house, and I hope that helps you get in and out of your vehicle safely and fast and speedy. And if you need to order it, head to savagetech.com.au. And thanks for joining us, and like and subscribe, please. It helps us a lot. We'll grow our channel, and peace out and have a good one.